taking time off work on Thursday and Fridays to go to Hong Kong. I overthink a lot and I don't know, I just worry a lot. So I'm already stressed about all the work that's gonna be waiting for me on Monday. I'm only going to Hong Kong for 2 nights and 3 days, so I really want to make the most out of it, right? But guess what? It's gonna be raining. I don't know, guys. Like, I really want this trip to be fun, obviously, because I'm investing my time and money into it, but I'm just stressed. The flight is at 9 a.m., which means I need to leave the house by 6 a.m., which means I have to wake up at 5:30 a.m. I'm basically going on vacation, but it doesn't feel like vacation because I'm more stressed than I usually am. Once I do get to Hong Kong, I don't know how to get to my hotel. I won't have a SIM card or data. I don't know how I'm gonna be searching on Google Maps. Like, bruh. Like, I wish I was the type of person who was like super chill and super laid back and not worried and just like, oh, go with the flow. I wish I was that type of person, but I'm just stressed, guys. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
This is sketchy. There's no chicken counter. Where do I go? This place looks like the filming ground for like gangster mafia movies. 진짜 범죄도시 찍는 데 같아. 뭐야 여기? Am I gonna die in Hong Kong? Let's find out. There's a phone here, so I called. She was like, just wait 15 minutes, I'll be there. At least it's a functioning hotel, hopefully, but it's an inn, so maybe that's why it's a little sketchy. I don't know. I don't know. So the lady finally came and now I'm going to my room. It's on the 10th floor, so my first ever time being in a place like this, but look, okay. Here's a hallway. Here's the bathroom, toilet, and here's my bed. Yay! What is this? So now I need to get ready to go meet my friend. He goes to Hong Kong University, so we're gonna meet there and we're gonna take some graduation photos because he's graduating this semester.
And that's a lie. My friend, the idiot, forgot to bring his graduation gown shawl or something, so we couldn't take photos.
He came to take graduation photos with me. We didn't plan this, but the timing was perfect. I don't have really high expectations to do any touristy things because I've been here before and I don't really remember much, but since I'm still in Asia, I don't feel like super excited to be here or do touristy things. So it's nice that I get to do local things with my friend who's been here for like 4 years. HKU is one of the top schools in Asia, so I'm excited to see what the campus is like. Gotta figure out how to get there as well, so wish me luck.
I haven't eaten anything all day, so it was nice that he was waiting for me with the famous bakehouse egg tarts to feed my hungry soul. Out of the 3 days I was here, the sun was out only today, which was unfortunate because he forgot to bring a part of his gown, so we couldn't take pictures. But instead of being pissed and dwelling on something we couldn't change, we tried to make the most out of it by just walking around campus. The more I think about it, it's quite surreal how I was at his university to finally see parts of his life I couldn't be part of ever since we went our separate ways after high school graduation. This was kind of like a core memory moment, guys. The campus was huge and I felt so lost, but definitely it didn't disappoint because it was really pretty. I really liked the Europeanness of the buildings, and like honestly, I'm not a city person, but the views of tall buildings were all so stunning. And I even snuck into the study library too, so overall it was nice pretending to be an international student at HKU for one day. I was able to imagine that if I didn't end up going to Korea for university and instead went abroad, like this is what it would feel like to be a student, right? So yeah, it felt nice that I was able to experience this. I'm not a fan of marashangwo or maratang, anything mara related, but this is his favorite restaurant, so this was my first meal in Hong Kong. He's been committed to convert me into liking mara, and I really did eat with an open mind, okay guys? But I don't know, like, I'm still not a huge fan. To those who love mara, I'm sure you would love this place because it honestly wasn't that bad, even for me, so it was a good experience. Which way do we go? Where are we? Kennedy Tower and Kennedy Tower. Anything?
Yeah.
I wish you guys could feel the humidity. Am I okay?
아줌마,
네?
where are you going?
We're going to the pier. Go to the pier and we're gonna look at the night view because apparently it's really pretty. Yeah. It's not getting really dark. Oh, I love these like neon light stuff. Look at that. Look at those cars. It's so cute. It kind of feels like New York. Like Asian New York. Because of all the construction. Right? Orange Hong Kong trash can, everybody.
아빠 시원해. 여기 떨어지면 죽어. 여기 진짜 더러워.
더러워서 죽어. 아니 여기야.
그러니까 너무 스윗하지 않고 센스가 있으니까
맛있네. 진짜 맛있어.
왜 비싸게 만약에 오래 걷잖아 막 진짜 생겨
봐봐. 그래서 그 아웃핏. 아니 거기 어렵게
1 a.m. right now, and I can't believe I'm awake in Hong Kong. It's a full moon. So humid. 아, 너 비슷해. Bro.